had a Tesla on it for several years. It's just in the driveway, pulling out trash cans, ignored the sensor type thing, and it dented the car, and pretty good scratch in the paint protection. Fortunately, the paint protection held, and there's no scratches. Able to just do the dent removal and then throw on some new paint protection, and we'll be good to go. First review is probably about $2,500 to replace the fender, have it painted, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, I have recommended sun stoppers to all my friends, especially the couple of guys who've gotten Teslas and had them wrapped here. Everyone's been happy. I mean, even from just from the normal everyday bug removal, it's huge. So it's a lot easier to maintain your car.